The pattern you never noticed. Look up at the night sky, and everything seems calm. Stars appear fixed. The moon drifts slowly. Planets move in quiet, predictable paths. From your perspective, the universe feels stable, almost still. But that calm is an illusion, because behind that stillness, everything is rotating. The earth beneath your feet is spinning right now, faster than you can sense. The moon is rotating as it orbits. The Sunday itself spins, carrying its entire system with it. Zoom out further, and entire galaxies swirl like massive cosmic storms, their stars moving in vast circular patterns. Even beyond space, the pattern continues. On Earth, hurricanes rotate, tornadoes spin, water drains in spirals. Even something as simple as stirring a cup of tea creates a rotating motion that seems almost natural, as if movement itself prefers to curve rather than go straight. And that raises a question most people never stop to ask. Why does everything rotate? Why isn't the universe filled with objects moving in perfectly straight lines? Why don't planets just drift endlessly in one direction? Why do systems, from the smallest to the largest, so often organize into spinning, circular motion? At first, it seems like coincidence. Maybe rotation just happens sometime. But the deeper you look, the harder it is to ignore the pattern. Rotation is not rare, it's everywhere. It appears at every scale, in completely different systems, under completely different conditions. And that suggests something deeper. Because when a pattern repeats across the entire universe, it's usually not an accident. It's a clue, a sign that there is a hidden rule shaping how motion works, something fundamental that turns randomness into rotation, straight movement into curves, stillness into spin. And once you start looking for that rule, you realize something even more surprising. The real mystery is not why things rotate. It's why anything would not. Motion is never perfectly straight. It's easy to imagine motion as something clean and simple. An object moves in a straight line, perfectly balanced, unaffected by anything else. No curves, no rotation, just smooth, predictable motion through space. But that picture only works in theory. In the real universe, perfectly straight motion is almost impossible, because it requires something that never actually exists: perfect symmetry. For an object to move without any rotation, every force acting on it must be perfectly aligned. Every push must pass exactly through its center. Every interaction must be balanced with absolute precision. Even the smallest imbalance changes everything. A tiny offset in force, a slight asymmetry in shape, a microscopic difference in how matter is distributed. Any of these can create a turning effect. Instead of moving straight, the object begins to rotate. And once that rotation starts, it doesn't just disappear. This is why rotation appears so easily. The universe is not perfectly smooth or symmetrical. It's messy, uneven, full of tiny irregularities. Particles collide at slightly different angles. Forces act from slightly different directions. Nothing lines up with perfect precision, so motion almost never stays straight. It bends, it twists, it turns into spin. Even in space, where things seem simple and empty, the same rule applies. Clouds of gas are not perfectly uniform. Gravitational pulls are not perfectly centered. As matter moves and interacts, small differences grow into larger motions. A slight imbalance becomes a slow rotation. A slow rotation becomes a stable spin. And suddenly something that could have moved in a straight line is now circling, orbiting, or spinning in place. This is the key shift. Straight motion is not the natural default. It is the ideal case, one that requires perfection. Rotation, on the other hand, emerges naturally from imperfection. It doesn't need precise conditions. It only needs something to be slightly off. And in a universe where nothing is perfectly aligned, slightly off is everywhere. So instead of asking why things rotate, you begin to see a deeper truth. Given how the universe actually behaves, rotation is not surprising at all. It's inevitable. The law that locks rotation in place, so rotation starts easily. A tiny imbalance, a slight offset, and something begins to spin. That part makes sense now. But here's the deeper mystery. Why does it keep spinning? Why doesn't that motion just fade away and stop? In everyday life, most motion eventually dies out. A rolling ball slows down. A spinning object comes to rest. Friction drains energy, and everything settles into stillness. But in space, that doesn't happen the same way. Once something starts rotating, it tends to keep rotating. And the reason comes from one of the most important rules in physics, conservation of angular momentum. This principle says something simple but powerful. If nothing interferes, rotational motion is preserved. In other words, once an object starts spinning, it will keep spinning unless an external force acts on it. There is no built-in mechanism that stops rotation on its own. This is very different from how you intuitively think about motion. You expect things to slow down because in your everyday world, friction is always present. Air resistance, surface contact, internal energy loss. All of these gradually remove motion. But in the vacuum of space, those effects are extremely weak. There is almost nothing to stop the spin. So rotation, once created, becomes incredibly stable. You can see this idea in a simple example. Imagine a spinning figure skater. When they pull their arms inward, they spin faster. When they extend their arms, they slow down. But throughout the motion, something remains constant. The total amount of rotational motion. It doesn't disappear, it redistributes. This is angular momentum being conserved. The same principle applies to planets, stars, and galaxies. When they begin to rotate, that motion doesn't fade away. It becomes part of their identity, something carried forward through time. And in many cases, it doesn't just stay the same, it can become stronger. As systems change shape, especially when they contract, their rotation speeds up. A slowly rotating cloud of gas can collapse into a rapidly spinning star. A forming planet can accelerate its spin as it becomes more compact. So rotation is not only preserved, it can be amplified. This is the hidden rule behind the pattern you see everywhere. Small rotations begin easily, and once they exist, the universe locks them in place. They don't disappear. They grow, persist, and spread across every scale. And that's why rotation is not just common, it's unavoidable. How rotation scales up to the universe. Now you can see how rotation begins and why it doesn't stop. But the most surprising part is how something so small becomes something so massive, because the same simple rule, tiny imbalance phi, rotation fin conservation, doesn't just apply to small objects. It builds entire cosmic structure. Imagine a vast cloud of gas floating in space. At first, it seems calm, almost motionless. But in reality, it's full of tiny movements, particles drifting, colliding, pulling on each other through gravity. Nothing is perfectly still. Nothing is perfectly balanced. So somewhere inside that cloud, a slight rotation exists, incredibly small, almost unnoticeable. Then gravity takes over. The cloud begins to collapse inward, pulled together by its own mass. As it shrinks, something remarkable happens. The rotation speeds up. This is the same effect you saw with the spinning skater. When the cloud becomes smaller, its rotational motion becomes more concentrated. The spin increases, not because something added energy, but because the system is conserving what it already had. Slow rotation becomes fast rotation. A weak twist becomes a powerful spin. And this changes the structure completely instead of collapsing into a simple spherical shape. The rotation pushes material outward along the edges, forming a disk. At the center, matter gathers into a dense core. This is how stars form. Around them, the remaining material continues to rotate. eventually forming planets. Each planet inherits part of that original motion, carrying it forward as its own spin and orbit. The same process repeats at larger scale. Entire galaxies form from enormous clouds of matter collapsing under gravity. Small initial rotations grow into vast swirling systems, with billions of stars moving in coordinated motion. What started as tiny imperfections becomes a defining feature of the universe. Rotation is not added later. It emerges early and then gets amplified. This is why everything from planets to galaxies shares the same behavior. They are not separate systems choosing to spin independently. They're all following the same underlying process scaled up again and again. A small asymmetry at the beginning becomes a massive, organized motion at the end. And once it's there, it stays. The universe doesn't need to constantly create rotation. It only needs to preserve it. And given enough time, enough matter, and enough interaction, even the smallest spin can grow into something cosmic. The deeper meaning of cosmic motion by now, rotation no longer looks like a coincidence. It looks inevitable, not because the universe chooses to spin things, but because of two simple truths working together. Nothing is perfectly balanced, and motion, once created, is preserved. That combination changes everything. It means stillness is not the natural state you might imagine. Perfect stillness requires perfect symmetry, a condition the universe almost never provides. Even the slightest deviation creates motion, and that motion quickly turns into rotation. And once it becomes rotation, it doesn't just fade away. It survives. It carries forward. It becomes part of the system itself. This reveals something deeper about how the universe behaves. Order does not always come from design. Sometimes it emerges from simple rules applied over time. A tiny imbalance leads to a small spin. That spin is preserved. As systems evolve, collapse, and reorganize, the spin grows stronger and more structured. What began as randomness becomes a stable pattern. Planets spinning, stars rotating, galaxies swirling, not because they were told to, but because the laws of physics make that outcome almost unavoidable. And this shifts your perspective. You start to see motion differently. Not as something that needs to be constantly created, but as something that is incredibly hard to remove. The universe doesn't reset motion back to zero. It carries it forward, reshapes it, and redistributes it across scales. In that sense, rotation is a memory, a record of how things began, tiny imperfections, preserved and amplified over time. And it also reveals a deeper contrast. Stillness feels simple, but in reality it's the rare case. Motion is the default, change is constant, and rotation is one of the most stable forms that motion can take. So when you look at a spinning planet or a swirling galaxy, you're not just seeing movement. You're seeing the natural outcome of a universe that cannot stay perfectly still. A universe where even the smallest imbalance becomes something that lasts. And once you recognize that, the pattern stops being surprising. It becomes inevitable.